The Book of Ecclesiastes, a profound and ancient text found in the Bible, offers timeless wisdom and thought-provoking insights. While not explicitly a business guide, its teachings can be applied to various aspects of life, including entrepreneurship and achieving success in business. Today, we will uncover astonishing secrets to achieve business success, drawing inspiration from the profound wisdom found within the Book of Ecclesiastes. Number 1. Embrace timing and seasonality. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 states, "To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven." Recognize that business success is often a result of impeccable timing and understanding the cyclical nature of industries. Be observant and adaptable, knowing when to seize opportunities and when to exercise patience. Number 2. Diversify your investments. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2 advises, "Give a portion to 7 or even 8, for you know not what disaster may happen on earth." Just as diversifying investments reduces risk, diversifying your business ventures can lead to greater stability. Explore multiple revenue streams, target different customer segments, and adapt to changing market conditions. Number 3. Cultivate strong relationships. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 9 to 10 emphasizes the strength of partnerships. "Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up." Build a network of reliable partners, employees, and mentors who can provide support, guidance, and assistance in challenging times. Number 4. Maintain ethical business practices. Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 8 cautions against corruption. "If you see the poor oppressed in a district and justice and rights denied, do not be surprised at such things." Uphold integrity and ethical practices in your business dealings. Treat employees, customers, and stakeholders with fairness and respect, fostering a positive reputation that can yield long-term success. Number 5. Seek wisdom and knowledge. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 12 advises, "Wisdom is a shelter as money is a shelter, but the advantage of knowledge is this: wisdom preserves those who have it." Continuously pursue knowledge and wisdom in your field. Stay updated with industry trends, invest in personal and professional development, and surround yourself with knowledgeable individuals who can contribute to your growth. Number 6. Embrace risk, but with caution. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 4 encourages calculated risk-taking. "Whoever watches the wind will not plant. Whoever looks at the clouds will not reap." While success often requires stepping out of your comfort zone, carefully assess risks and potential rewards. Take calculated risks, but avoid recklessness that could jeopardize your business's stability. Number 7. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Ecclesiastes chapter 2 verse 24 reminds us, "There is nothing better for a person than to enjoy their work." Find fulfillment and joy in what you do. Celebrate achievements, appreciate the journey, and create a healthy work-life balance to avoid burnout. True success lies not only in financial gains, but also in personal satisfaction and contentment. The Book of Ecclesiastes offers profound insights that can be applied to the world of business. Incorporate these timeless principles into your entrepreneurial journey and see how they can transform your perspective and approach to business.